Good morning, everyone. So I have a shoot this morning. We had a really crazy storm last night. It was awesome, but yeah, I have to get out. I have to get up a little earlier and get out to a shoot. But I have to jump inside my car. And we got some lightning still above us. It's really crazy. The storm is still there, but hopefully this works. Let's see if I can get the car started. Our kids are still sleeping, so I gotta be careful. Oh yeah, okay. Alright, and I have enough gas, that's good. Well, I gotta hurry. So I'm driving to my shoot and we're getting some pretty serious lightning strikes. Wow, we got a pretty great sunrise over there. It's really awesome. So I don't think I've ever seen a sunrise quite like this. This is really cool.
So we have thunder on one side and blue skies on the other. So I don't know if you can see, but there's blue skies. And then let's show you where the clouds are, because there's clouds outside and it's thunder. And I think it poured early this morning too. It's funny, our weather always says it's just sunny, maybe partly cloudy, but there are some dark clouds. So this is the side the thunder is coming from. Pretty cool. Do you not like the thunder?
No, I just want to shut it.
You want me to shut the door?
Yeah.
All right. Riley doesn't like the thunder, so we have to shut the door. So we're eating breakfast.
Alright, so I'm on set of actually my first feature. This is actually really cool. And just checking this out here.
Yeah, do we have play? Alright, back camera ready? Camera's ready. We're gonna go to one.
And action.
All right, so you know it's going to be a good day when you run into Alex Boye.
Oh my gosh! Tell Stewart.
Came up with that rhyme myself.
Oh, that's right. So I'll take it. We'll turn it into a T-shirt or something. Right?
Yeah.
How you doing?
I'm doing good.
Good, man. This is cool. I just turned up. We're doing this movie shoot, and you know, I walked in, and it's funny. As soon as I see Tell, you know, and I'm like, hey, you know, what are you doing? And then all of a sudden I'm like, well, of course you're gonna be here because they need the best, and they've got the best. So you know.
Well, it's funny because I had no idea you were coming either. I showed up and they were like, hey, that's Alex. So,
So you film that crazy guy.
Are you here for the whole week?
Just for 2 days.
Just for 2 days?
Yeah, so
cool.
I play Pastor Aiken, and yeah, so I got the 2-day shoot. So this is the first day for me, and then you know tomorrow we do another scene and we're good. So
cool.
Yeah, just in and out real quick. I mean, this is a 3-week. Isn't it 3 weeks or something? How long are you here for?
Well, I live here, but I'm working for 3 weeks.
So you'll be right. You're doing all the way. Oh, that's a nice gig, nice local gig. You know, at home you don't have to. You know,
it is nice.
That's
for
good.
Sure.
That's good. Yeah.
Well,
yeah, man.
I had to say hi real fast. So
yeah. And cut.
Cut. All right.
So we have some exciting little play going on here. We have Riley. Wait, what is this? Is this a road?
Yeah.
Did you make a road?
Yeah.
What did you make the road out of?
Books. Okay, this is going to be off the road. As off the broken log. Ready to be rolled. This is how they pull. wooden boat.
That's how they park?
Yeah, the wooden boat right there.
So this is the book road.
So this is how the tow truck goes. And that's how the hose broke. And this bike turned around. Need to go forward, actually. So we went across the bridge. Got across the bridge. So we can just. They must have run the spell.
We're gonna go get Evelyn dressed now. So I know why Evelyn has been grumpy. She's been so grumpy.
No!
Go Nope. No, not you. Oh, no hitting. Okay, you go Show everybody what's going on.
No, I say
Okay, Riley.
No, I say No,
Okay, sit down and I'll do after Evelyn. First Evelyn. Okay, go. Well, I don't think you can see it. Do it again.
No.
Go no.
I say
Okay, you say Riley doesn't have the same thing, but Evelyn is getting her 2-year-old molars, and that is why she's been so cranky, not taking naps, and being super picky when she's. I gotta go. There's a fight going on. Look at Evelyn. She loves dancing.
Here we go.
Dance. What are you doing? What are you doing, Evelyn? Can you
I'm making two down. Wee. Wee.
do it again?
Wee.
What's that say?
Burps.
They're burps. Are you making choo-choo sounds?
Yeah.
Patty cake. Patty cake. Baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Pat it and roll it and mark it with a and put it in the oven for baby.
Let's do patty cakes again.
Oh.
Patty cake, Baker's man. Bake me cake, fast you can. Patty. Margaret recipe, Kevin. Me.
Your buttons are falling off.
Patty cake, Baker's man. Get me cake, fast you can. Pat it, roll it, smoke it with a bee. Put it on baby and me. Patty cake, Baker's man. Get me cake, fast you can. Pat it, roll it, smoke it with a bee. Perfect, baby and me. No, don't take me.
Okay.
I want to get to the park.
She's walking to the park with the baby. Let's go follow her.
I need to take baby out. He need to go at the medicine shop.
Yeah?
He need to go at the medicine shop.
The medicine shots?
Yes.
She's going to the doctor's?
Yes. You stepping it down.
What you doing?
Shot.
Giving the baby a shot? Oh wow, guys. Giving the baby a shot.
Penny bunny. It's Band-Aid.
I don't know.
Band-Aid. It's in my room. I don't know.
You need a Band-Aid? Should we go find one?
Yeah.
Let's go look in your room.
An adult arm.
Silly.
Hello. How was your day? Crazy? She's had a crazy day.
Yep.
It started off really great, and then it kind of got crazy for her. And
Glad to know though that Evelyn is just grumpy because of teething.
yep, she got her molars coming
She
in.
has a very good reason to be cranky. Four very good reasons to
Yep.
be very cranky.
My first day of this production that I'm on is lasting for about 3 weeks. It was good. Ran into Alex Boye. That was cool.
I want a cookie. So we're gonna go make cookies.
We should end the. Let's not end the vlog now. Let's make cookies.
And then end the vlog with her stuffing our face with the yummy chocolate chips.
They look cooked. Oh, she did it.
I always do it when cooking them out. And then you just let them sit there and cool off.
Cookies are good and ready to go. Mmm. They're good.